Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are cooking spicy Tawa prawn. Take 12 to 15 prawns with shells or without shells. Cut it at the top just like this. Add salt as per your taste. Red chilli powder half a teaspoon. Turmeric half a teaspoon. Red masala half tablespoon. Chickpea flour half teaspoon. Chili ginger garlic paste half teaspoon. Now mix it all well. Chickpea flour is a good binder, so the masala doesn't come out from the prawn while frying. Make sure the masala is really coated inside and outside the prawn. Heat the pan for frying. Add some oil. Once oil is heated, put prawns in it. After a minute, turn the prawns. Keep on turning the prawns. You can see from one side it's almost cooked. Prawns are almost ready. Try this quick and easy recipe and give us feedback. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Wow, that looks yummy. Thanks for watching our video.